We're going to start the patio build today. We're going to get rid of this dirty portable canopy cover here, and we're going to put a permanent system in. I'm going to be doing a DIY post. So I'm using these Jack Daniel barrels here, and we're going to be putting a 4x4 post in these, and we're going to use a bracket to hold them in place. Then we're going to concrete them and finish with filling them with dirt and flowers. So we're going to get rid of this dirty thing, which doesn't cover the whole patio, but thank you for my neighbor for giving this to me and let me use it for the last couple of years. So we'll just pass this on to the next person. Now in the bottom here, I'm gonna have soil in here. So I put a low spot over here in the corner so I can drill a hole right there. So all the water will kind of flow this way and out that hole. I will probably drill other holes around the side too, but that will be the low spot. So take a look at this here and see where we're at. I'll finish this one up, then we'll do the other one, then we'll put the canopy on. And this is the final build after I got done putting it together. So I ended up putting the bracket up on top just to get a little bit more height for my canopy. And I bought a thing of flowers at the local nursery and put them in here, and it totally filled it. And we're going to check out how I have it all connected here. Here you can see I got the two pots on the left hand side. And it's connected to the house right underneath the soffit up here with some adjustable brackets. I should have two of the corners up higher than the others, but with this particular setup, without putting a bracket in my roof area, I really couldn't do it. So and there's the final build with my Rec Tech smoker.